Hi everyone, Jaquez here, back again with some fresh insights and walkthroughs. In this video, we're going to take a look at Calendly Zoom integration feature. Now, what is this feature? The Zoom integration feature allows you to connect your Zoom account with your Calendly account. Now, this integration automates the process of generating and sharing Zoom meeting details whenever a meeting is scheduled through Calendly, saving you time and effort. Now that we've covered the power of Calendly Zoom integration to make your scheduling a breeze, let's dive into the exciting part, the demo. So let's get started by connecting Zoom to our Calendly account. Now to do this, what we're going to do is on the left-hand side, select integrations and apps to locate the Zoom integration. From there, we're going to select video conferencing, and then we notice Zoom is accessible here. Now we're presented with the screen for us to connect Zoom to our Calendly account. But before we do that, I want to point out two things here that is required in order for you to connect Zoom to your Calendly account. Number one, you must have a Zoom account. Secondly, if your Zoom account is managed by an administrator, you want to make sure that they pre-approve Calendly in the Zoom marketplace first before connecting Zoom to your Calendly account. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and select Connect Zoom to get things in motion. We're now presented with this screen that is asking us to allow Calendly to integrate with Zoom. Now, if you are not logged into Zoom, you may be presented with the login screen first before you're presented with this screen that we see in front of us. Once you are here, we want to select Allow so that we can allow the integration to work within our Calendly account. Once you have connected your Zoom account to Calendly, you'll then be presented with the option to go ahead and set Zoom as a location on your event type. So this confirms that it is integrated, it's in your Calendly account, and if you want a double confirmation, let's go ahead and we're going to head to one of our event types and add Zoom as the location. Select this one here, Learning Calendly. From there, we're going to go to the event details, Zoom, and you see it populates just the way we wanted to confirm that it's active and accessible. We're going to select Save and Close, and now we have Zoom as our event type location. I have a few tips and tricks to allow you to use the Zoom integration successfully, right? And the first is ensure that your Zoom account is pre-approved by your admin to avoid setup issues. Regularly check your Zoom integration settings in Calendly to ensure they're aligned with your current preferences, especially if you prefer using your personal meeting ID for all your meetings. And finally, utilize the dynamic location variable in Calendly's workflows and notifications for added convenience. That's it for me. We've covered some really important points about Zoom integration with Calendly and how you can use these features to level up your customer experience. I hope these tips help you streamline your scheduling process. If you have any questions about Calendly features, drop them in the comments below, or you can check out our Help Center, which is also linked in the description below. While you're here, hit that subscribe button, like this video, and share it with those who would find it useful. Stay tuned for our next video where we'll dive deeper into Calendly features. Until then, happy scheduling.